Listening for beginners. Level A1. Mary and her basket. Mary and her basket. This is Mary and her basket. Her dress is yellow. Her basket is little. It is brown. This is a bus. A bus is coming, Mary. Run, Mary, run! Mary is running. Look at Mary. She is sitting down. She is holding her basket. A woman is sitting down. She is fat. She is very fat. A man is standing up. He is tall. He is very tall. Look at Mary and her basket. She is looking at the eggs. Please give me an egg, she says. The man is giving Mary an egg. Thank you, says Mary. Thank you, says the man. Look at Mary and her basket. She is looking at the fish. Please give me a fish, she says. The woman is giving Mary a fish. Thank you, says Mary. Thank you, says the woman. Look at Mary and her basket. She is looking at a cake. Please give me a cake, she says. The woman is giving Mary a cake. Thank you, says Mary. Thank you, says the woman. Look at Mary and her basket. She is looking at an apple. Please give me an apple, she says. The man is giving Mary an apple. Thank you, says Mary. Thank you, says the man. A bus is coming. Mary is looking at the bus. Run, Mary, run! She is running. Look at Mary. Look at her basket. Look at the egg. Look at the fish. Look at the cake. Look at the apple. What is this? It is a cat. It is eating the fish. What is this? It is a dog. It is eating the cake. What is this? It is a tree and a bird. This bird is big. It is very big. Look at the bird. It has the apple. Look at the man. He is holding the dog. This is my dog, he says. My dog is bad. Look at the woman. She is holding the cat. This is my cat, she says. My cat is bad. Is it your bird? Mary says. No, says the man. It is not my bird. Is it your bird? Mary says. No, says the woman. It is not my bird. Look at this. He is giving it to Mary. Thank you, says Mary. Look at this. She is giving it to Mary. Thank you, says Mary. Look at the man. He is giving an egg to Mary. Look at her basket. Look at the cake. Look at the fish. Look at the apple. This is Mary. This is her basket. She is not running. She is standing. A bus is coming. Words in this book. An apple. A basket. A bird. Brown. A bus. A cake. A cat. A dog. A dress. Eating. An egg. A fish. Holding. A man. Running. Sitting. Standing. a tree, a woman. Yellow. Fat. Very fat. Tall. Very tall. Big. Very big. Little. Very little. Thank you. Thank you.
شكراً على المشاهدة. تابعونا للمزيد من الفيديوهات كل أسبوع.